If you are someone who is trying to build something big, maybe build your freelance career or try to apply for jobs, the first thing everyone tells you is to have a personal website. Yes, a personal website helps you show off and show your skill set to the potential clients or your hiring manager. But when you really get into it and look through the prices, it's not really that expensive in the foreground. It is just 2.5 to 3 pounds per month. But to get it in that price range, you'll have to commit on it for a long term, and that means upfront cost of around 100 pounds. So this is not something everyone can afford. So here is a way that you can have your own personal website, and that too for absolutely free. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So for this, you'll need an app called Notion. Notion is a one place tool for almost everything. It's a huge app, it's amazing, you need to check it out. But this video is not about Notion. Just download Notion if you don't know about it. Download it and get started, sign into it with your Google account or create a new account, do whatever the hell you want to do with it. But get Notion and start a page. Here I already have a few pages that because I use Notion a lot, but you will have nothing here, just one page. So open that page, and here this is where you start designing or customizing your page. In this video we will not focus on building a Notion page or making it look beautiful and stuff. Here I'll just do the most basic outline stuff. But if you want it or a detailed video where I show you different styles and techniques you can use to make it better, I can also do that. Just let me know in the comments. But for this video, I'll create a simple page that we can publish as a website. So this is the Notion page. This is how every Notion page looks in the beginning. So here I will write a title for my web page. Good. So welcome to my world will be my title. I'll add a cover image. Here you can change the cover image. I'll use Unsplash. Unsplash is a free open place where you can find a lot of images. I'm going for a kind of an aesthetic theme. Maybe dark. So I like this one. So you can also reposition it. You can style your page however you want, and once that's done, this is our main web page. Here you can have anything. Notion also lets you create boards, tables, contents. Notion is very powerful and it has place for all kind of data that you can provide to it. So you can experiment here. I'll create a simple website. First, I'll create two columns here. So /2c will create two columns, and in one column I'll add a picture of mine. So this is something I like. The picture is here. So this will be my picture for the website. So this is how it will look. And in the first column, let me write my heading. You can also style your text as it is here. I'll change the colors to yellow for the few words just to highlight them. So after this, I'll write a bit of explanation about myself. I'll copy this from something I have already done. After this, let me add a skills section. My skills. I will turn this into a heading as well. My skills. So here I'll create two columns to add technical and non-technical skills. So this is a rough website that I have created right now. You can spend a lot more time into it, trying to refine a few things here and there and making it look better. There are a lot of tools inside Notion and also styling elements that you can use. And once again, as I've already told you, if you want me to do a detailed tutorial on it, I will definitely do it. So once all of this is ready, the next thing you want to do is to go to your browser and search for super.so. So once you search for this is the website that you will see. And once you are here, sign in to it with your Google account, or you can sign up to it however you please. So once you have everything ready, this is how you will see it. Since I already have mine set up, I will not be doing it again, but it's the simple straightforward process, just signing in like you sign into Instagram and Facebook. So I don't think it will cause any problems. Here I already have a site that I have created, but this is not something you will find it empty. And here you can click on create site to create a new website. So here you can name your site. Here I will name it as YouTube example. And now you go back to Notion, and here click on the share button. When you click on share, turn on share to web. So once you turn this on, you will find a link here, which is the web link. So copy that web link and go back here and paste it where it says Notion share URL. So once you have pasted it, you will have your site created for you. Here it is showing me site is inactive because this is my second site on the app, the second site I'm trying to create. I already have one ready and published. So because of that, you are only allowed to have one site in your name with the free version of this. If you want more, you will have to buy the premium version. So I'll go back to the older site so that I can show you how things work. So this is the site that I have created, and this is up live and running already. There are still a bunch of things that I have to work on. I have not uploaded my technical projects yet. I've only uploaded one of them, my design projects. So if I had to explain this is I have used my signature as the page icon for the Notion image. I've used the other things to just, you can go through this. I'll give the link in the description to see how things are done. And also inside super.so, you can design a bunch of things. It gives you a lot of options to design from and a lot of things to choose from. There are little tweaks here and there. You can change the typography, you can change the way the cards look. For example, I have added this kind of rounded edges to all my cards. So these are something that you can play around with to make it a bit more personal to you. And this up here, whatever is written, that is agneshrao.super.site, is my site URL, and you can give this to anyone and they will be able to access your website. And I'll just quickly show you how I did this in Notion. So here I've uploaded my signature as my page icon. This is a custom cover that I created using an Envato Elements template, and I used Photoshop to edit it out. And this is my heading, brief description about me. This is my about me section that is in the toggle mode. A small photo of me with caption. I've embedded links to my YouTube videos so that it's easier to find that way. And here I've used the database feature of Notion to show the projects and work experience that I have done, and this acts as different pages. So each project here is a different page that opens and has so much more information in it. So these are things that you can do with Notion. So if you don't know that, let me know. I'll make a tutorial on how to do these things. But for now, you can spend some time on Notion, make it beautiful and directly upload it as your website. If you are someone who also has a little bit of money to spare, for around 12 to 13 pounds per year, you will get a domain that you can purchase in your name, and you can connect it to the super.io page. So you can have your custom link like agneshrao.com that leads to this site. So it looks professional, it's minimal, it's simple, it's not that complex, but it gets the job done, and it is definitely better than not having a website at all. So I hope that was easy. I hope that was simple. So that's it, I guess, for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace.